So have you ever been ripped off before? Feel like you've been taken for or advantage of something? Well, in this video I'm going to teach you how to not get ripped off with affiliate marketing. Let's discuss. Alright, so as I began with this video, I wanted to share with you my personal opinion of how to prevent yourself from being ripped off. And yes, I am talking about from my own personal experience. I know what it's like to trust somebody, pay some money, get into whatever it is they offered, and find out that I was ripped off, that I was scammed, that I was lied to, and I didn't get anything further than what I had hoped for. So here's what I would suggest. Do your research. Know who it is you're trying to learn from. See if they give you any free value up front. And while I'm on that subject, look for somebody that is going to give you access to them for free, that is willing to teach you so that you can get results in your own business today with affiliate marketing. And yes, I'm talking about myself. Currently, right now, I have a class of 70 students. It's growing each day. If you want to learn from me, then I offer you this opportunity. The link in the bottom of this description, it's going to give you access to a class. In there, you will see firsthand if affiliate marketing is right for you, and you won't have to pay anything. You'll be able to get your understanding and not be ripped off, and know if it's right for you first. Of course, there are offers that I offer in my business if you want to advance your knowledge with me. Alright, well, that's this video. I wanted to just answer that quick question since it was out there for people to respond to. Thanks for your time.
Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps. Be good to others, because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.